Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How is the sound of a tornado described? Roaring, rumbling, buzzing, or hissing. Other survivors described the sound of a tornado as more of a rumble, with some even comparing it to the noise made by an earthquake. Many tornado-prone regions are also seismically active. What does it sound like before a tornado? Depending on the twister and where you're standing, it can sound like a hiss, a buzz, a rumble, or even a freight train. But tornadoes also seem to emit low-frequency sound waves called infrasound that the human ear can't hear. How close does a tornado have to be to hear it? How far away can you hear a tornado? Based on the analysis of data collected by StormTrack, the average distance at which a tornado becomes audible is 1.5 miles. The maximum distance is about 4 miles. What sound do you hear before a tornado? Continuous rumble as the tornado is coming down. You should hear a loud, persistent roar. It is going to sound a lot like a freight train moving past your building. If there are not any train tracks near you, then you need to take action.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.